general use, but it's part of birthday gifts. Why not? Okay, this is a huge box here, and I will try to use it and to try it, of course, for you to see. This is from Miele, a vacuum cleaner. So, and a vacuum cleaner for your birthday, isn't it so practical, right? So you will use it every time you see it, and you are like, oh, that is my birthday present. I will go a little bit far for you guys to see me properly. Okay. So we were really talking about what brand we are going to buy. So this is not a secret from me, of course. My husband bought this for me, but this is not a secret. We are the one choosing it. And about brand, so we really thought that Miele is a really good brand for a vacuum cleaner, which my mother-in-law has. She has it, and she has it for years now, and it's still really good. So I want to have one as well, so we can bring wherever we want, wherever we go in the future. And hopefully I am not rough enough to spoil it in a day. Second. Alright, so first is this one. Alright. Of course. We bought the vacuum which is with cord, because normally now what you've seen like nowadays is cordless, you know, but I still want this old version which this is cord and stuff like that. I think I don't want to mess up something like so returning it if we don't like it, you know, exchanging stuff like that, because I haven't tried it before. So maybe in the future we'll see. I also want to try. I will try to use this. It's like I'm a very master vacuum already now. But this is also part of my job, you know. I'm not only a cook, I'm also helping in housekeeping department. So I work once a week in housekeeping department, helping rooms. So look at that. Okay. It is like our tools. It's war against dust. Who will agree with me? It's war against dust. No. It should be like this, I guess. Yeah. Sure. Okay. Perfect. So this has this control here thing. It's like your gun against. When you go to the war, you should have. And we have vacuum cleaner to war against the dust. So this is the main thing. Okay. Yeah. It's a little bit heavy. Oh yeah. So this is my birthday gift. Yeah. My husband is so romantic, isn't it? I like the color. It's I just like the color, so I chose this instead of white. And I didn't see black in there. So if there is black, I'd rather choose black. But This is the second choice I have in mind, the color, of course. So, oh yeah. Oh, so normally in the vacuum cleaners, you have only this round thingy here, which you can just do like this for its maximum, the volume, you know. But this is like, it's like a button, you see. So you can see here, it's minus and plus. So the volume, that's what you can use, okay. So now we are trying to assemble it. Now I want to open first because we also bought this one, which is the bags. Which is this one is the bag that we are going to put inside. Hopefully this one has already. But of course, when you have so much dust, and you need to change, otherwise it's the smell will be horrible. So this one, isn't it nice? Yeah. So we have it at least like 12 pieces of this or 10. I don't know how long we can use it. Of course, I will give you an update. So we check whether there is okay. Oh, cool, look at that. It surprised me. So of course this is for window and stuff like that. Look at this. I like that. It's very organized. I don't need to find anything, so this I like, and it's for the corners, of course. I don't need to, where is this, where is that? I don't need to get crazy of finding anything already. So we'll try to open here. Oh my god. Oh look at that. So there is one here already. So brand new smells, of course. So it's very good. Alright, so okay. So let's assemble it. Okay. I don't know. I will check a bit. Alright, I will be back. Try. It's really good. It's so strong. I love it. So if you're going to clean, so this is how it works. So see, it's very dusty. My carpet is so crazy dusty. I really have to have a good fight with it. have to have a good fight with them. So like this. So I need to click it. Alright, so this can be used in the carpet. So normally I don't use the brush for the carpet. I don't do this. I just want it plain like that. So it can suck all my hair in the carpet and the dust and everything. So if you want it longer, you can do like this as well. So look at that. It's more against dust. So look at the brand. So this is what we chose. So this is what we chose, my husband and me. So hopefully it works for us for many years. So look at that. So thank you so much everyone for joining this unboxing, and yes, it's vacuum time. I will see you again. This is Gabby. Let's go!